Good morning, student. Today we are seeing task 11, that is on page number 10. Okay, yesterday we completed how many sums? We completed here up to 5. So today we start 6th one. So we see here also 3 places, means 3 digits are there, means 219 into 4. So first we multiply with 9 into 4. So 9 fours are how much? 9 fours are 36. So in 36, 6 is a ones place. So this will be here and this 3 goes up. Now 4 ones are 4 and plus 3. In 4 you have to add 3. Why 4? Because 4 ones are 4 and plus 3, 5, 6, 7. So here is a 7. Next, what is the next? 4 twos are, how much it is? 8. Yes. So here we completed 6th one. Now we see 7th one. So 7th one also how many? 3 digit number is there. Means 157 into 2. So we start multiplication 2 into 7. So 7 twos are how much? 14. So see, in 14, 4 comes downside and 1 will be carry. So here write 1. Now 5 twos are 10 and 10 plus 1. So 10 plus 1, 11. So see, in 11 also this one here and this one will be carry. Yes, so it goes up. Next, 2 ones are 2 and plus 1, 3. Yes, so here we completed this one. Here answer is 314. Now we see next one, that is 14. So what is 14? 8th one. 419 into 2. Now 9 twos are how much? 18. So 8 downside and 1 will be carry. So carry goes here. Now 2 ones are 2 and plus 1, 3. Next 4 twos are 8. Now we see next one, that is 9th. So here also 116 into 6. Now 6 multiply with 6. So 6 6 are 36. In 36, 6 is here and 3 goes carry. That is here. Now 6 ones are 6 and 6 plus 3, 9 is there. Now 6 ones are 6. Yes. So student, we see next one, that is 10th. What is the 10th one? 198 into 4. Now 8 fours are, so how much 8 fours are? 32 is there. So 2 is downside and 3 is for carry. So here goes carry. 9 fours are 36 and 36 plus 3 how much? Count after 36, then 3, 37, 38, 39. So in 39 what happened? See, what will come here? 39. So 9 is downside and 3 goes up. Now 4 ones are 4 and plus 3. So 4 plus 3, 7. Yes. So here we completed up to 10. Now see, in this task 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. This one you have to do by yourself. Now we see next one, that is task 12 and it is on a page number 11th. So now we start first one. So student, in previous how much? Downside only one number is there, but here 2 digit number is there. Now see what we have to do. We multiply this 2 into 8 and then 2. So firstly we multiply this one. So 2 8s are 16. 6 is here and see 1 will be, what is here? 16. 6 is downside and 1 will be carry. So here goes carry. Means carry goes in a next number. Now 2 2s are 4. See, with these 2 we multiply with 8 and 2. Means this is why we take 2, because this is on a ones place. So firstly this ones place we multiply with these 2 number. Now see, we multiply with ones place. Now multiply with tens place. So 2 2s are 4 and 4 plus 1 5. Okay, means with these 2 we multiply both number. Now see what you have to do. Downside of 6 you have to write 0. Okay, what you have to write? 0. Now see, next what we have to do? With these 2 we multiply both number. Now which number remaining? 1. With this one, firstly we multiply with tens ones place and then tens place. So 8 ones are 8. Now with this one we multiply ones place. Now with these 2 we 1 we multiply with 2. So 2 ones are 2. And student, whenever you are writing, write down this one properly. Now see, this one it comes on a tens place 8. This one will come on a 100 place. And this 0 it is on a ones place. Now we have to do addition. So give here addition sign. So now we have to add whatever, with this multiplication whatever answer come, that answer we have to add. So now 6 plus 0, 6. 5 plus 8, how much? 5 plus 8, 13. So in 13, 3 is here, 1 will be carry. Now 2 plus 1, 3. Okay, so what is answer? 336. Now we see second one. Second one is also same like first one. Here also with this 5 we multiply ones place and tens place. So 7 5s are 35. 5 is here, 3 will be carry. 4 5s are 20 and 20 plus 3, 23. Yes, now ones place, mean downside of 5 you have to write 0. Student, if you don't give this 0, then your multiplication it will be wrong. So downside of this 5 means ones place you have to give 0. Now with this 5 you multiply both number. Now with 1 you multiply these 2 number. So firstly we start with ones place. So 1 7s are 7. 1 4s are 4. Now what we have to do? Addition. So give here plus sign. So 5 plus 0, 5. 7 plus 3, how much it is? 10. So 0 is here, 1 will be carry. 4 plus 2, 6. And 6 plus 1, 7. What is the answer here? What is the answer? 705. Okay, student. After that we see third sum. Third one is also similarly like first and second. So now 49 into 90. So firstly this 9 multiply with 9 and 4. So 9 9s are 81. See, in 81 1 is here and 8 will be carry. So here goes carry. Now see what is there? 9 4s are. So 9 4s are 36 and 36 plus carry 8. So after 36 count 8. 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43 and 44. Okay. So write here 44. Now downside of 1 give 0. With this 9 multiply 9 and 4. Now what is remaining? 1. So with this one firstly we multiply with 9. So 9 ones are 9. 4 ones are 4 plus 1 plus 0, 1. 9 plus 4, 13. So 3 is here, 1 will be carry. 4 plus 4, 8. And 8 plus 1, 9. So what is the answer here? 931. Fourth one. 45 into 22. With these two multiply 5 and 4. So 5 to the 10. In 10, 0 is here, 1 will be carry. So 4 to the 8 and 8 plus 1, 9. Downside of 0 give 0. 5 to the 10. So in 10, 0 is here. Now see, again 1 will be carry. So write that carry. Now 4 to the 8 and 8 plus this one, 9 plus 0 plus 0, 0. 9 plus 0, 9. And this 9 write as it is. Okay. So student, in task 12, today we completed 4. Okay. Remaining we see in next period. So now your today's homework. So student, your today's homework is page number 10 in notebook and textbook. So page number 10, what is given? That is task 11. All problems you have to firstly solve in your textbook and then solve in your notebook. Task 12, remaining we see in a next period, and then you do practice of task 12. That's all for today. Good day and thank you.